Hi guys, it's Ken here from Smart Forex Education. What we're going to do today is just go through a trade that we entered. We're still in the trade now. So I'm just going to walk you through literally the reason why we entered this trade. Okay, so this is a Euro-Dollar 30-minute chart. And this is based on our unique strategy called the snap theory, the passive snap theory trade. So what we did here, what we wanted to do first and foremost is identify where passive orders or traders, or there's two types of orders. There's a passive order and there's aggressive orders. Aggressive order type traders will look to enter using a market order. Then you have the passive traders that will literally try and place limit orders. So they will basically wait for price to come towards their specific entry before their trade is filled. On the other hand, aggressive orders are traders that are maybe potentially feel very confident about the current price and they want to enter the trade right now. They don't want to wait. So what we've utilized here in this system, we've utilized the passive trader snap theory strategy that we have that works very, very well. So first and foremost, I'm going to pull up lines, add lines, freehand, to identify some form of a trend line support. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm going to take it from, obviously for a trend line support you need higher lows in price. So let me just zoom out a little bit here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it from a significant low point that I can see here from this wick, and I'm going to lines freehand. So I'm going to connect it from this level, and then I'm going to draw it all the way up to the next high. Okay, so the high low. So as you can clearly see, if I zoom in here, I've taken it from the first point, then to the second point, and now we have the trend line intact. And then we're looking for some form of support where the price can potentially reach for a next strong level. Okay, so not only did we want to look to identify and locate a trade around this specific area, we also utilized our other concept, the Fibonacci. So we go to lines, add Fibonacci retracement, freehand, and I'm taking it from this significant low point up to a significant high, and I'm looking to see if there's a significant percentage on the retracement in line with the trend line. And as you can see here, this is the passive order snap theory trade that we have at smartforexeducation.com. And we had a limit order, buy limit order, just above this trend line. So fortunately enough, we actually got filled at 12954. So 12954. Let me write this down here. Okay, so enter trade long at 12954. And the reason why we did it is because there was a confluence of two specific areas, and we felt this is a very, very strong area to hold support, and now we're seeing a bounce. Okay, so we're about 20 pips up profit in this trade, and our targets will be, add lines, taking it for a support level. Okay, so I'm going to have a target price to test this 40% level. Okay, 40% level for a test, for a target, short-term target. If you can get through there, then I'll have my second target at the 25%. So 40%, 12993, and then the remainder of my position if we can get to this level. But anyway, if it hits my first target, I will trail my stop to break even and scale out of some of my lots. Okay guys, so we enter the trade based on this passive order. First target will be the 40%, stop will go to break even, cover half of the position, and then if it continues to go, we will literally trail the stop and manage the position as it moves in our favor potentially. Okay, so we will see in a couple of hours how this trade progresses. Okay, if you have any questions, please pop along to www.smartforexeducation.com.